Welcome to another video. Wall mirrors serve as versatile and impactful decor elements, enhancing the aesthetic appeal of any space. These reflective surfaces not only add depth and dimension but also contribute to the overall ambience of the room. In this easy we will explore various wall mirror decor ideas that can transform our ordinary spaces into visual captivating environments. One popular approach is the strategic placement of mirrors to amplify natural light. Placing mirrors opposite windows or near light sources helps. Placing mirrors opposite windows or near light sources helps promote light across the room, creating a brighter and more inviting atmosphere. This technique is particularly effective in smaller homes, making them feel more spacious and clean. Mirrors can also be used to accentuate specific design elements within a large ornate mirror can become a focal point, drawing attention to a particular area of feature. Selecting mirrors with decorative forms that complement the overall theme of the room can enhance the classic look of the door. In addition to their particular purpose, mirrors can be arranged in artistic patterns to create eye-catching displays. Experimenting with geometric shapes or arranging mirrors in a gallery wall format adds a touch of creativity to the door. This method allows for personalization and can be adopted with various design styles from mirrored furniture is also trend well-built wallpaper decor ideas, incorporating items like mirrors, side tables, dressers, or cabinets can elevate the sophistication while enhancing the overall reflective quality. In this simplicity of mirror surfaces adds layers of interest and glamour to the space. For those seeking a more modern aesthetic, consider using mirror style or panels to create accent halls. This approach not only adds a contemporary flair but also serves to visually expand the room, making it appear larger and more open. Mirrors can also be employed to bring to the outdoor inside by strategically placing them to capture and reflect garden views or indoor plants. This connection with nature enhances the overall tranquility and freshness of the space, promoting a harmonious balance between the interior and exterior elements. Wall mirror decor ideas offer a wide array of possibilities for transforming living space, whether through amplifying natural light, accentuating design elements, creating aesthetic arrangement, or in incorporating mirror furniture. The versatility of mirrors make them valuable assets enhance the visual appeal of a room but also contribute to a more inviting